I'm Beth Landry with Hi Ho Vacations, and today I'm going to show you how I create templates for proposals for Walt Disney World in Travefy. I'm going to show you how I do a Walt Disney World proposal. I have a template that's already built in with resort category highlights, theme park tickets, dining plan information, memory maker information, deposit information, and so on. Big thing for me that saves so much time is that I add new days for each resort that I'm quoting out to a client. And I make each resort separate because I believe it separates the information better for them to process. For example, I'm going to say Disney's Pop Century. And I have all of my resorts built as a library item, and I can just pull those in as needed. And I have all of them standardized, which saves me a whole bunch of time. It took a while to build them, but once I got a format that I wanted, it was perfect. With dining options, room types, transportation, I then put the travel dates and the travel party here. And then to make the information even clearer for clients, I break it out by room category with park tickets and with either of the dining plans. I also have pictures, room tours, resort maps, all the information that they could possibly need to make a decision as to where is best for their family. Doing it this way saves me time of attaching things to emails and recreating things. And I can do a Disney proposal in about 15 minutes and have it out the door to the client and be done.